Welcome to the WPS Military and Veterans Health Eprescribe webinar. The Electronic Prescribing, or ERX initiative, is a Defense Health Agency Pharmacy Operation Division project. Since 2015, ERX has allowed civilian providers to transmit prescriptions electronically to military treatment facilities and pharmacies in the U.S., Guam, and Puerto Rico. This change brings the military health system into alignment with the e-prescribing meaningful use requirements. It also helps the growing number of civilian providers who generate all their prescriptions electronically. There are many reasons to choose electronic prescribing. With ERX, the benefits for both healthcare providers and beneficiaries includes safety and security, efficient service, cost savings, and convenience. Let's take a closer look at some of the benefits beneficiaries get from electronic prescribing. First and foremost, ERX can save patients time and money. Electronic prescriptions usually travel instantaneously from your office to the pharmacy, allowing them to be filled more quickly. If there are any issues, pharmacy staff can resolve them before the beneficiary arrives. ERX promotes the use of military treatment facility pharmacies, which are the most cost-efficient points of service for beneficiaries. ERX increases patient safety by preventing medication errors. No more handwritten prescriptions that can be interpreted incorrectly. Electronic prescribing is a standard healthcare practice and aligns the military health system with standards of care available at civilian pharmacies. TRICARE patients also get additional benefits using ERX with a military pharmacy. They can get up to a 90-day supply for most medications instead of a 30-day supply through a retail pharmacy network. They also have no copay or cost share for medications from military pharmacies. ERX provides benefits for providers above and beyond the ones that also help beneficiaries, like cutting down costs on medications. ERX is safe and secure and can aid in choosing generic or alternative medications, increasing cost-effectiveness. ERX can be prescribed to military pharmacies, retail pharmacies, or TRICARE home delivery. Check your e-prescribing software application for the MTF option nearest you. There are some things you should know about ERX and how it works with military pharmacies. The electronic pharmacy names of most military pharmacies begin with DOD. Military pharmacies will not accept electronic prescriptions for controlled substances. Controlled substances will continue to require paper prescriptions. Military pharmacies stock medication on TRICARE's basic core formulary. They stock other medications at their discretion based on the needs of their patient population. If a provider sends an e-prescription to a military pharmacy for a medication not on its formulary, the pharmacist will contact the prescribing provider to attempt to resolve the issue. Getting started with ERX is easy. In fact, providers can start sending electronic prescriptions to military pharmacies in the U.S., Guam, and Puerto Rico immediately. Just search for military pharmacies using the DoD adopted naming standard, which is DoD, the site name, and e-pharmacy. All MTF e-pharmacies start with DoD and are published by SureScript's Electronic Prescribing Network. Providers can also educate beneficiaries on the benefits of electronic prescriptions using the provider flyer available at health.mil/eprescribe. Beneficiaries themselves can also take steps towards getting started with ERX. You can ask your doctor to send your prescription electronically to a military pharmacy. You can ask your MTF pharmacy about its participation with electronic prescribing. Or you can ask your MTF pharmacy to complete the beneficiary flyer available at health.mil/eprescribe and share it with your provider. For the latest information on electronic prescribing at military pharmacies, you can visit the Defense Health Agency Pharmacoeconomic Branch website at health.mil at the URL listed on screen. For more information on the TRICARE beneficiaries filling prescriptions at military pharmacies, or to find a military pharmacy near you that your TRICARE patients might want to use, visit the TRICARE pharmacy page at the tricaremil.site at the URL listed on screen. If you have additional questions about ERX, you can contact TRICARE for Life at 866-773-0404 toll-free or visit TRICAREforyou.com. Thank you for joining us for today's Eprescribe webinar.